You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, people. I hope you know good. I hope everybody great. You see me? So right now, you know say Elephant Man is wanted for questioning. You see me? But him attorney, Christopher Thousand, he must say no, him don't know nothing about that. We are going to talk about that. And we are going to talk about Meek Mills in a Jamaica just enjoy Jamaica. So, you see me? All of that and more coming up.
It's exploding right now.
Just touch down like rugby, and no boy can't touch me. I'm a friend, them collect every cent in a Spain bus park, every trip, every clad taxi. Badness, pay dog, but I know something for your practice. Anytime Papi Moonkirk, them touch road skull board, you know want the bandit get buckly.
I reach league when me in a little Ross boy, you know see it, you beginner. I reach league when me in a big fat Benz with the 7i Beamer. I reach league when me in a little Ross boy, you know see it, you beginner. I reach league when me in a big fat Benz with the 7i Beamer. Pull up in a drop top.
So people, Meek Mills, they are Jamaica. The boss touch down at Jamaica. You see it? And him I love it. So check out a couple of them slides here. You see it? Check out them picture here.
Hey, my baby.
Come on, Todd.
Come on.
See, it must not be how it look. You know what I'm saying?
Look how he's standing right now.
Yeah man, yo, you know what me not understand? You see me? We are Jamaica, we as Jamaican, they are Jamaica, yo, and we are bash Jamaica. And even some foreigners, they are Jamaica and them are bash Jamaica. Remember how I did this whole heap of argument, but don't go back at Jamaica forward up and them thing. And then look at it, yo, a man like Meek Mills can forward at Jamaica and enjoy it. So why we own a Jamaicans not to enjoy Jamaica? You see me? And why we encourage people not to come to Jamaica? Anyhow, how my thoughts that? Cause I remember I said Drake did there one day. You see me? And before that, Buju did there. You see it? So, me no know. Anyhow, still, make we go up in other something and make we talk about it right now. So, that video here go viral over the weekend, which me I go play it right now. So apparently, that person there will collect the what appears to be a firearm from Elephant Man, or I should say from the young lady, because the Elephant Man, them say collect the firearm from the young lady. You see me? And me have to say appears to be a firearm, you know, cause people, we not sure. And no, me I gonna show you why we have to say appears to be a firearm. Anyway, still, according to the police, he's wanted for questioning. You see me? That is Elephant Man and the young lady. Them wanted for questioning. So it look away. But me I go read a couple things were posting at the Gleaner today. You see me? And I'm reading from the Gleaner. Attorney say Elephant Man willing to report to police over gun video. Christopher Thousand and people, yes, Christopher Thousand. The attorney for entertainer Elephant Man has asserted that his client is willing to go to the police for questioning in connection with a viral gun video. The police this afternoon listed as a person of interest Elephant Man and the woman in the video handing what appears to be a gun to him. You see me? So at that one, and me I go read. Alright, hold on, let me go on more. According to the Corporate Communications Unit, investigators have made checks at different locations which the entertainer is associated. However, he was not found. But Townsend said he was not aware that the police wanted to find his client. Quite frankly, I have not heard of any requests. I am the attorney. I am his attorney. If there is any request for him, please free to contact me if so desired, Townsend told the Gleaner late Tuesday evening. You see me? The attorney was curious about claims in relation to the video. You see me? First and foremost, a thing that appear in social media doesn't necessarily mean that it appears. Is it? Basically, the man has say right here, sir. Now, true, you see the phone here. I'm hold up the phone in my hand. I'm go so booms and I make a call. That not necessarily says a phone. Now, true, you see Elephant Man did have a gun. That not necessarily mean it's a gun. You see me? It must be a real gun. And him go further by saying this: I am concerned they are calling it a firearm. Certain qualifications bar a firearm to be a firearm. A photograph of a firearm doesn't qualify a firearm Basically, right, that's so sound like say Elephant Man get we already. Yo, right now him win the case. Me don't know. What you think?
Yep, good to go. I've seen enough dance before, but I've never seen a dance like this.
You feel say Elephant Man can get himself out of the hot water, yeah? Him can dance out of the hot water, yeah? Me don't know still. But me I hope for the best because uno don't see say the people them offer the entertainer them. And then again, some of we entertainer or some of the entertainer them, they need to start make some wiser decision. Elephant Man, that decision wasn't wise for you to be videoing yourself with a gun. It's not necessarily say, yo, you're there on gun range and everybody can say it's a range you're there and you bust some shot. You're there in a bar and the girl look drunk. You see me? So there, and your video it, daddy. Your video it and leak the video. I don't know who leaked the video, but somehow you did see when it a video. That should even video none at all. You see me? Tell me what you think in the comment section. So, right now, we are going to talk about the artist who named Gouzz Head. People, wanna listen that track, yeah.
Pull up in a drop top, keyless Benz with the seat them drop. Rich badness, so me nah left him up. Got a big fat mansion for the hilltop. 5 mil don't spend up, 10 just drop. Got Gucci, Fendi, Moncler lock. Last kid, pan last kid, big fat stock. Although they pan load all granny center.
So people, you see once I wanna talk about money and I try elevate himself and them thing there. I mean, who don't want money? And the man say me na the rich league. It's a good look, people. And me I gonna link the song in the comment section. You see me? Or in the description. So just look out in the description or in the comment section for the song. Cause people, the song sound like it bad. The song bad. So uno make me know in the comment section as well if you don't like this song. Anyway, a little bit more of the song.
Rims, leather seat, make the sunroof pop. Sports mode, accelerate just like that. Navigation system, check on the dash. Got new money, old money, someone wash back around. Crystal, take a sip, get frost. Now pick up my phone if you're not at gas. One chill on the hill, on the house rooftop. Couple million at the safe, but 100 a mash. A rich league when me in a...
Yeah, people, so that's Gouzz Head. And the song is entitled The Rich League. We can't in the poor league, or we poor a go. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, don't forget to leave a like on this video if you like it. If you don't, well, just tell me in the comment section why you don't. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.
Run watching that bitch. Watching trophy, run watching trophy.
You don't know if you're a married man, but it's not in a bum back there and pussy one girl. And you won't help me tell the man. You won't help me tell the man. He tell us I'm the one of blood clot them. He tell us I can't fuck him. He let up the blood clot. No way I want to come before.
Does that look like any child?
Come on.